So Polyspectra is an advanced materials company on a mission to take polymer 3D printing from a prototyping aid to a production manufacturing solution. So we have developed a new class of modular light-activated resins capable of unlocking a broad spectrum of tailored engineering properties for production-grade additive manufacturing. We call this new family of materials CORE, which stands for cyclic olefin resin. And our first product is Core Alpha, which features an unmatched combination of high working temperature, toughness, and chemical resistance that now enables additive manufacturing to compete with injection molding. So materials chemistry is so central to society that we actually divide human history by it, right? So we have the Stone Age, the Bronze Age, Silicon Age. So in this theme, Polyspectra is working to usher in a new era of multifunctional materials. And so what we're working towards is unlocking this long-standing dream of transforming 3D printing from prototyping to a production manufacturing tool. And by doing so, enabling energy-efficient, democratized advanced manufacturing. So Polyspectra's mission is to help designers, inventors, and engineers make their ideas real.